we are going to clean our chicken. You can see putting hot water in the basin. I add vinegar to clean properly our chicken. As you can see, you want to clean your chicken nicely. You clean your chicken, you remove everything that is not nice. You clean, you rinse properly. As you can see, you cut your onion, nutmeg, we have green pepper, celery, white and black pepper. You can see the chicken I cut and I put it in the pot. I didn't add any water. We start putting our black pepper, white pepper, nutmeg. We put the nutmeg, and then this is the black pepper. You put in the chicken. Garlic, you add garlic on top. You must spice this nicely. You add now onion that you cut, green pepper and celery. You mix everything together. Bay leaves you put. You have your lemon. This one, the stock I'm using, the chicken stock. I will mix together. I'm shaking my pot to mix the spices and the chicken. I put on the stove. Now we are going to our spinach. This is our baby spinach, but you can use any spinach you want. This baby chicken, I clean it nicely. Baby spinach, I put in the pot. I will add the bicarbonate of soda, you can see, to keep the spinach green. Even if it boiled, it will not change color. It will remain very green. You can see, I will leave it to boil. As you can see, the color is still green. When I eat it with a baby potato, I clean my potato, I peel, I put water. You can see I'm making it with a spice, fish spice. I put the spice aside. This is our potato, and this side you can see the chicken start already to boil. In the potato, we add again spring onion and celery, just a bit, small, not too much, and a bit of butter. If you don't have butter, you can put oil, just a drop of oil. You can see very small. It will boil together, because when it finishes, you must keep a small water. And then here it's a pork, a juicy neck pork. I mix it with everything I spice with garlic, nutmeg, dry spice. It's ready from the oven. I'm putting in the plate. You can see it's ready. And our chicken starts boiling. You can see the water is finished. Just small remaining of water inside. I will put now on the tray, because I have to put it in the oven. After the oven, you can see after 30 minutes, 15 minutes, you turn it, 15 minutes, it's ready. Our chicken is ready. Our pork also is ready. The spinach is ready. Now with clear water, I will rinse to remove the bicarbonate in the spinach. And here we have our fish. As you can see, our beautiful fish. We take the pot, you put small oil inside. You start frying the sauce. Just one tomato, onion, green pepper, garlic, spring onion. You blend it, you start frying. You can add also bay leaves inside and small of garlic. You start frying, you fry. This is the garlic we're adding. You can see it's fried already. And then you mix the spinach. You can see still green. You mix in the pot. You turn together. You turn it. I didn't add any water because we're gonna fry it with it. You can add a bit of stock, not too much salt. And this is our fish that we clean and we prepared. We mix it together and we leave it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. It will fry together. You add chili on top. You cover it. 15 minutes more water. This side, it's ready. Our baby potato with spice, as you see, fish spice. It's ready. We put, you can see on top, you can notice the spring onion and the celery. And we didn't finish all the water. We keep it with small water. So nice and tasty. As you can see, to change. You cannot just every time to boil it plain like that. So you can see, you can eat it like that. It's very nice. We want to fry our onion. This we just fry onion. You can see. This is the onion. We're gonna eat it to accompany the spinach we put on top of the chicken and our pork that we fry. Fry the chicken, the onion. You fry it. You're gonna add the stock from the chicken. When we're boiling chicken, you take that stock, you add it. Instead of you adding water, you just add it. I didn't put any other spice because the chicken, you remember the spice we put in the chicken. It's the stock we're gonna use to fry our chicken. As you can see, you fry it like that. And this side you can see after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, the spinach is ready. And our onion also is ready. When you eat it, it's so nice and so healthy. You enjoy your food. As you can see, like, subscribe,